For 99% of our history, we were not alone. We shared the earth with others, like us yet not us. In the shadows of the Ice Age, three kinds of humans walked side by side until only one remained. 2 million years ago, our genus, Homo, emerged in Africa. Over time, we spread. We changed. We became many. By 700,000 years ago, Homo heidelbergensis began to split. One branch stayed in Africa, the roots of Homo sapiens. Another moved into Europe and Western Asia and became Neanderthals. Neanderthals adapted to Europe's harsh climate. They were strong, stocky, and resilient. Their brains were as large as ours, sometimes larger. They weren't just brutes with clubs. They used fire, crafted stone tools, built shelters, and may have even made simple boats. Meanwhile, Homo sapiens evolved in Africa, lighter, leaner, and perhaps more social. Around 100,000 years ago, they too began to move. From 60,000 to 40,000 years ago, the two species met in places like Amud, Kibara, and School Caves in Palestine. Their remains lie just meters and centuries apart. This wasn't just coexistence, they were neighbors and possibly lovers. Genetic evidence tells us they interbred. Today, every non-African person carries 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA. In Siberia's frozen heights, a child's bone revealed a new branch of humanity, the Denisovans, closely related to Neanderthals but genetically distinct. They interbred with both Neanderthals and Homo sapiens. One girl, nicknamed Denny, was born to a Neanderthal mother and a Denisovan father. Their legacy lives on in Aboriginal Australians, Melanesians, Tibetans, invisible markers from long-forgotten unions. They buried their dead, cared for their sick, left handprints on cave walls. These were not beasts, they were beings with culture, emotion, and memory. That Neanderthal man survived blindness and injury for years. Someone kept him alive. That's empathy, that's humanity. They told stories, loved, grieved. In every way that matters, they were us. They are still with us, in our cells, in our culture. For centuries, we mocked them. Now we understand they were not a step behind. They were a different path. Neanderthal genes affect our immune systems, skin tone, sleep cycles, even susceptibility to diseases and depression. The brutish caveman was a myth. The truth is more profound. They were not our enemies. They were our cousins, our kin. The Neanderthals are gone, but not forgotten. Their blood runs in our veins, their memory in our bones. In the long story of humanity, they are the missing chapter, and now, perhaps, the found one.